I started a new project for safety and enjoyment for club members. The title is SEM SEND. This is a program for safety for the club members, including enjoyment. Today, our club members, swimming team, uh, went to the Standard paddleboarding tour in Gai Island. The morning weather will be nice, and the tide is half moon tide. So yesterday I checked out the weather, and then I sent the staff and then their leader and manager. I sent to the about the weather forecast from Windfinder, and then they check out. They said the leader said too. They kept helpful for the all activities. So 10 of club members went to the sub tour on Gai Island. It was about 3 or 4 times. They had experience on the island, and then they moved to the truck, and then they used the ferry from the port to the port of island, and they knew about the people in island. So, and hopefully they could enjoy stand-up paddleboard and swimming and snorkeling. This on October 15th. They always wear on wetsuit and proper gears. So this is one of the reason why I make the program for the safety and enjoyment for club members. And the safety is knowing about all the things and all the processes, and the enjoyment is from the skills, and then the basic level to high level, and knowing about the purpose is simply and safety and enjoyment for club members, including all the process. Today I talk about, and then maybe after I making these contents, just like I do learning about languages, the same. I'll try to get a make a sports program, especially water sports program, in many ways. So, and then I made this content after then, and then I can make new content from Notebook LM at the same way. And with the help of club members, I would like to make this project not myself, but and with the club members. So, and someone who wants to join the making club these projects, and then we can make it together for the club members, make content in Korean. Now, I practice in English here to make some projects, but when we use Notebook LM, we set up uh, the language in Korean, and then we can create from English version my YouTube video from English version to um, Korean, and so and then we can make the club members can enjoy listen to the presentation for the safety and enjoyment of the program. So I hope and then we can make so. And knowing about the stand-up paddleboarding tour program, so just thinking about then each member should know about all the process by themselves and just go everyone, each person has information about the process. They should not depend on other information or group information because the responsibility at their own risk. So, and then when they go, uh, before they have a qualification for the Standard Paddleboarding Tour as a club members. They have a qualification. This is very important and part of it. And also the managing the process, and they should join aware about their program, how they attend to their program. Just enjoying and then that is okay, but uh, aware about and always the serious injury or problems and some during the sessions. And also knowing about all the things and then mm, uh, be careful about carrying the uh, gears and then knowing about that all the things and also when they started and then needed to gears and then proper gears, for example, and the lock drone, they needed to use their uh, aqua shoes or some wetsuit or proper gear, and also they needed to know about how to process for the safety and they should know about, aware about mm, knowing about their how to manage the gears, and all the processes is very important. And especially when they're road tied, they should know about helping each other. All the processes. It's simply not easy to all. Yeah, and then just to keep making program for advanced or good activities. This is a really important part. Okay, today I talk about here is about the new program. It will be helpful for club members, and then I can create for the club members the contents day by day, and then on in with my experience, and then also I would like to improve my managing skill or create some courses for the club members, not only club members, for the beginners as your uh, advanced instructors. Now I can get some, let's see, using AI. In English, my content should over how to make a water sports program for safety and enjoyment with the club members by making the program with the safety and um, rules for the responsibility or the skillful management and experience after fruit basing with. Okay, let's see. Mm, Then project water sports safety and enjoyment program. Actually, same program. Mhm. Translate into Korean above. I can get to the Google Doc, having the contents here. I will review about it. SEM project is safety and enjoyment for club members and water sports safety and enjoyment program. Introduction. I've started a new project for our club called the SEM project, a water sports safety and enjoyment program. The goal of this project is to help our members enjoy stand-up paddleboarding and surfing, open water swimming, windsurfing, and snorkeling, other ocean activities safely, responsibly, and confidently. Safety and enjoyment always go together. Safety means understanding all the process, knowing the weather, the tide, and the lures, and managing equipment correctly. And enjoyment comes when everyone feels confident and prepared from beginner to advanced levels. Field activity. SUP tour to Gai Island. Today, our club swimming team joined the stand-up paddleboard tour to Gai Island, and the weather was beautiful this morning, calm water, light wind, and the half moon tide, which is perfect for paddling. But according to the weather forecast, today it will be windy. Anyway, yesterday I checked the water condition and shared the weather forecast and safety checked with our leader and manager. Through our club communication channel, everyone reviewed the information before the tour, which helped the team prepare for all activities in advance. More than 10 club members joined today's stand-up paddleboard tour. Many of them had already visited the Gai Island several times, so they were familiar with the environment and the local people. And they traveled by ferry from the port to the island and spent the time paddling, swimming, and snorkeling. Also, the SEM program. SEM is safety and enjoyment for club members. The purpose of the SEM is simple: safety and enjoyment for all club members. Every participant should understanding all procedures and not rely on others. Take personal responsibility for their own safety and equipment. Know how to manage and check their support, paddle, and safety gear. Be prepared with the proper gear, such as aqua shoes, wetsuit, or life jacket. Especially during tide changes, members should have each other and stay aware of water movement. This mindset helps prevent accident and build trust within team and safety and responsibility. Each member must understand how to check the weather and tide before paddling, how to carry, clean, and store equipment properly, how to respond in emergency situations calmly and safely. We emphasize self-awareness and responsibility. Everyone should know what to do instead of waiting for instruction. And then safety begins with the awareness and enjoyment follows naturally. Learning and development. This project is also a learning experience for me as a leader. By creating SEM SEND, I want to improve my management and safety training skills. Develop educational content for beginners, regular members, and advanced instructors. Share my knowledge through videos, reports, and AI-assisted content creation. I believe this processing is similar to learning a new language. We improved by practicing, creating, and sharing. The same applies to what sports. The more we practice safely, the more we can enjoy together. Vision. In the future, I plan to continue developing SEM, safety and enjoyment for club members. With help from our club members, the We'll create a new program, share safety tips, and produce educational content both in English and Korean so all members can learn and enjoy together. Safety first, enjoyment always. That's the spirit of our talk. Okay.